Heavenly Father, we gather here today with hearts full of gratitude and joy as we celebrate the 60th birthday of our beloved Tito Jonga, Sir Jong, Boss Jong, Paring Jong, Papa, and soon-to-be Lolo.
If you look closely, you will find it. There's still a light inside the darkness. Sometimes you gotta dig for the gold. It's hiding in the place you feel the most. Sifting through.
And let's all give a big round of applause to our birthday celebrator, Mr. Jong Daed!
Beautiful. We can make it better than it ever was. I know the road is long, but we're not giving up.
Mabait si Lord. Binigay niya ako sa mabuting mga magulang. Kung hindi, malaki ang chance na napunta ako sa masama. Buti na lang. Kidding aside, I wish nothing to the Lord but to keep you and Mama healthy. To give you 100 more years to live. Pwede ba yon? Because I can't imagine life without you and Mama. Mahal na mahal namin kayo ni Chancellor. Happy birthday, Lola Dragon! I love you!
We can make it better than it ever was. I know the road is long, but we're not giving up. Love is taking over now. Nothing's gonna stop this flood. We can make it better than it ever was.
Ito po napakabait na tao. Nagugulat ako, pinupunta pa ako sa bahay namin para imbitahin. Kaya nandito po kami ngayon kahit na marami tayong ginagawa. Para kay Paring Jonga. Pare, happy birthday ha.
Pare, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa friendship natin, sa tiwala.
Kayang-kaya niyang i-neutralize yung negative na nangyayari sa buhay niya. Happy birthday, pare.
We can make it better than it ever was.
We are very thankful na naging kaibigan namin si Jong. Stay what you are. You're my friend. Thank you. Happy birthday, my friend.
We can make it better than it ever was. I know the road is long, but we're not giving up. Love is taking over now. Nothing's gonna stop this flood. We can make it better than it ever was.
You've taught me and Achi the importance of family, the value of hard work, and the power of kindness. And for that, and many, many more na sacrifice mo for us and your family, thank you and happy birthday, Pa. We love you.
I know the road is long, but we're not giving up.
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Papa. Lagi nating hilingin na pahabain ng matagal ang ating buhay na magkasama. Yun lang. Basta, I love you, Papa.